Hey there, you doers. I hope you watched my other video on the AQUATru setting it up. But it's about 6 months later, and sure enough, my filter light came on to replace one of my filters. And not surprisingly, it's the 1-2 carbon filter. So I went ahead and I bought a replacement filter right here. So it's pretty simple to replace. I'll show you briefly how to do it. Basically, just remove it, put it back in, and push the reset button. But one thing I want to mention is that we know when we first set it up, this AQUATru setup, it said to flush it out 4 times when you put in the filters initially. And so when you go and replace it and you open up this little cover here right there to replace the filters, as you can see there right there, it says 1-2. That's how I know I need to replace the 1-2 filter. That's the one lit up there. It says here in the instructions that I need to, it says after installing a new filter, always discard the first 4 full water tanks of the AQUATru. So that's what it says here. And so when I look in the manual though, and it says that after installing a new filter, always discard the first 2 full water tanks the AQUATru produces. And that's here right here on this manual that I have here under cleaning and maintenance, and that's page 12 in my manual. And I think when I looked it up online, it said the same thing. So I'm only going to do 2. And so if you already have the AQUATru, you know the drill here. So right here, but let me just show you how I remove them here. And I'm just going to pull this out like this. I'm just going to pull it forward like this, and I am going to just turn it. See here, counterclockwise, so lefty loosey, righty tighty. So the arrow's here, and remember when I first put it in, I put it at the 3 o'clock position. So I'm just gonna turn it like this way, counterclockwise. So this arrow moves from 6 o'clock to 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna turn like this. It's a little tight. Turn it there you go, like that, and it pops right out and drips a little bit. That's okay. So you can see in there, that's what it looks like. So now I'm going to get the replacement filter right here. Get this replacement filter, and I'm going to put it in. So again, when I put it in, there's the arrow right here. I'm going to put this at 3 o'clock. Okay, so 3 o'clock, because then I'm going to turn it clockwise and go to 6 o'clock. So I first put it 6 o'clock, put a little pressure downward, let it slide, let it turn, and it goes to about 4 o'clock, as you can see there. So not 3 o'clock. So, and then I just turn it like this, and it's tight, and I push it back. The next thing you want to do is you want to push so it's still blinking, it doesn't know I replaced it. Turn this around here, and we go to the back. Okay, right here you can see the back here. Then I'm going to push this reset button right here, and for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to turn it around. Let's see, hopefully it is off. There you go, folks. Spin this around, and look, and it is off. Look at that. So there you go. And now I'm just going to do the standard like we normally do when using this. I'm going to fill the rear tank up, let it run. You can see it's bubbling, or was bubbling quite a bit initially here, so maybe that's why you need to run it, to soak that soak the new filter in. So again, I'm going to run it twice, and then I should be good to go to keep going and using it as usual. Again, I think I might wash this out, the clean water tank, the filtered water tank, once this is done filtering twice. I'm not sure if that's necessary. So that's what I'm going to do anyways. Might as well. It just takes a second to wash it out with some soapy water. All right, you doers, stay healthy. Let's get things done. Thanks for watching, and please leave a comment if you have any questions or anything like that. All right, see you later.